Hey guys, I'm Skylar Porter and welcome to my YouTube channel where we do stuff. Today we have an invention. It doesn't have a name. You guys can name it and send it to Shark Tank. Maybe they can name it. We're gonna see what this does. Actually, I know what it does because I built it. So you're probably wondering, why does it have so many cables? Well, I'm not gonna answer that because I don't want to tell you what's in it. Basically, there's a big thing right there, okay? Ethan, you're recording this time, right? Okay, good. There's two cables running out of it. One cable is going into the wall. The other cable is going to these headphones. Now you're probably wondering what this thing does. I'm about to show you. So this thing's a life jacket vest thing, right? This is what it looks like. It looks very casual. Ethan, stand back. You don't have to stand that far back. Come closer. All you have to do is get the life vest on, which is a very easy process. Most people know how to put a... What? Most people know how to put a life vest on, so that's exactly what I just did. I'll show you what it does. Now, it pulsed. Ethan, stop. Okay, so you put the headphones on, right? And you get a phone, and this is all my cables that hook up all to one auxiliary output. Now, Ethan, unlock the phone. Good job, Ethan. I'm really proud of you. So say we want to play a song. What songs do you have on here, Ethan? Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse soundtrack. When I press on a song, it just sounds like music, right? You guys can probably hear that, right?
As you can tell, the thing's moving and vibrating by the music. And Styver cannot hear us right now at all because...
So if you guys can hear that vibrating, see it shaking? Here's. Probably wondering, okay, I can listen to music and feel it, right?
Well, guess what? There's more to this thing than meets the eye.
So imagine, Ethan, stop it, calm down. Just keep the camera still. So say I'm watching a movie, and I want to watch a movie.
Are we going to watch the full movie, or is it just gonna...
No, I'm gonna watch the full movie. It's... Ow!
I think the viewers understand what this thing does now.
You think so?
Yeah, I don't think they need to watch the full-on Black Panther movie.
How do I even pause this movie?
With the remote.
I think you get what it does. Please buy my my life jacket. Like, comment, and subscribe for more life jackets.
We will sell this thing for $100.
Yeah, it's gonna be up on eBay. Link in the description. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, please.
And watch the rest of his Styver Porter's videos.
Yeah, watch all of them.
Bye, sucker.